mentalmente sono avanti
camera also in this operating system. Let me have a deeper look at the capabilities of the camera. With the front-facing camera, you can do, for example, hand recognition, and you have up to 22 interest points on each hand. This means that you can see everything of your hands. If the hand is open, closed, the movement of each finger, the exact position, you can do gesture recognition, and so on. Let me show you how it works. Oh, okay, no audio, but okay, you can see all the interest points. The hands are recognized really, really well. All the fingers. This is an example you can download with the SDK. And of course, you can do facial analysis. You have up to 78 interest points on your face. This means that you are able to recognize the movement of the person in front of the camera. You can see the eyes pretty well, and of course, you have a 3D camera, so you're able to track all the Euler symbols. So how you, for example, how your face is rotating in all the directions. And here another example coming from the SDK. Okay, you have the persons that's using the camera. Please have a look at the eyes that are recognized really well. So now I have a few demos coming from. Okay, I want to show you what developers are doing with these cameras. First of all, I want to show you an application that I realized with my team. We used the front-face camera in order to let the project person to use laptop without the need of cumbersome mechanical system. And for example, you are able to recognize the 3D movements of your head, and we use this kind of movement to move the mouse on the screen. And okay, the front-facing camera is able to do speech recognition, so we used the voice in order to give commands to the mouse. So let me show you this video, homemade, but okay, this is a friend of mine that is using the laptop, just using the front-facing camera. And okay, I think it's a really useful application for this kind of person. And okay, show you this application shows you how it's a 3D understanding of the world. Okay. So we need some kind of applications and video commands. Now, I want you, okay, another example developed by other developers. It's really similar to the one I showed you before, but it's funny, so. Okay. Now I have a video that shows you how works. What can we do with hand recognition? And for example, this game is completely driven by your hands, and you have to move character, your inputs, and just using your fingers and your hands. Sorry, you cannot hear the audio. Audio? Okay, it works. Use the forward-facing camera, for example, to do scanning of 3D objects and body in this case. And there is the scan of the head of this person. And at the end is really a great 3D model. And you can do it by yourself. You obtain a 3D model, and it's wonderful. And you can use it in a lot of applications. And for example, to have a really personal character for your games. Here is an example. Xavier used is